I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, triangles. Introduction. In this chapter, we shall study about a polygon formed by three non-parallel line segments. Such a figure is called a triangle. We shall study the parts of a triangle, classification of triangles, and consider some properties of triangles. Okay. A triangle, its vertices, sides, and angles. Let A, B, and C are three non-collinear distinct points. We join the points by line segments. A, B, B, C, and C in pairs. The figure so formed is called a triangle. See? The symbol, this symbol is used to denote the word triangle. This triangle ABC is read as triangle ABC. Here the points A, B, and C are called the vertices of triangle ABC. A, B, C. These 3 points are the vertices of the triangle, okay? And the line segments AB, BC, and CA. These are called the side of the triangle ABC. The 3 angles are angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay, these are the angles of triangle ABC. Elements or parts of triangle ABC. The 3 sides AB, BC, CA, and the 3 angles, that is angle A, angle B, and angle C together are called the 6 elements or parts of triangle ABC, right? In triangle ABC, we observe that the sides AB and AC meet at vertex A and BC is the third side. So we say that BC is the side opposite to vertex A and A is the vertex opposite to side BC. Similarly, CA is the side opposite to vertex B and B is the vertex opposite to side CA. In the same way, AB is the side opposite to vertex C and C is the vertex opposite to side AB, right? See, B is opposite to the side AC, okay, and AB is the opposite side of vertex C and C is the vertex side of what? AB, right? Interior and exterior of a triangle. Consider the following figure. We observe that the triangle ABC divides plane into the following 3 groups. Number 1, the points which lie inside the triangle ABC, that is here D. D is lying inside the triangle. Number 2, the points which lie on the sides BC, CA, and AB of triangle ABC, that is ABC. ABC. These points lie on triangle ABC. And number 3, the point which lies outside the triangle ABC, that is this point, that is E point, lies outside the triangle ABC. Okay. Hence, we can define the interior and exterior of a triangle in the following manner. Number 1, interior. The inner part of a triangle ABC is called the interior of a triangle ABC. ABC. This is interior part. Okay. Exterior, the outer part. This is exterior. Outer part of triangle ABC. Number 3, triangular region. The interior of triangle ABC together with the triangle ABC is known as the triangle region of triangle ABC. Okay. Now, types of triangles. Triangles are named on the basis of the lengths of their sides and the measures of their angles as given below. Triangles named considering the lengths of their sides. Number 1, scalene triangle. A triangle whose no 2 sides are equal is called a scalene triangle. In the given figure, triangle ABC is a scalene triangle. No side is equals to each other. Okay. Number 2, isosceles triangle. A triangle whose 2 sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. In the given figure, as you can see, AB is equals to AC. Hence, this is an isosceles triangle, right? Number 3 is equilateral triangle. A triangle whose all sides are equal to one another is called an equilateral triangle. For example, triangle ABC, this one. AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. 3 sides are equal to each other, okay? So, this is an equilateral triangle. Note, an equilateral triangle is isosceles triangle, but the converse need not to be true, okay? Now, naming triangles according to a measure of their angles. Number 1, acute triangle. A triangle whose all the angles are acute, means less than 90, is called an acute angle triangle or an acute triangle. For example, all these angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C, all are acute, okay? And another example of an acute angle triangle is equilateral triangle whose all angles are 60 degrees each. Okay, an equilateral triangle has equal sides and equal angles also, 60 degrees 60. So, acute equilateral triangle is also an acute angle triangle, right? Number 2, right triangle. A triangle whose one angle is a right angle is called a right angle triangle or a right triangle. In the above figure, this figure, triangle PQR is equals to, in triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degree. Okay. Note, the other two angles are acute angles. The side opposite to right angle is called the hypotenuse. Okay, side opposite to this angle is hypotenuse. Okay. Number 3, obtuse triangle. A triangle whose one angle is obtuse angle is called an obtuse angled triangle or an obtuse triangle. In the above figure, this angle B is obtuse, hence triangle ABC is an obtuse triangle. Some observations. Number 1, if we construct equilateral triangles with different measurements, and then we will observe that in all the triangles, the measure of each angle is 60 degree. Thus, the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Number 2, if we construct isosceles triangles of different measures and then measure angles, we find that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Thus, an isosceles triangle has exactly 2 equal angles. Number 3, if we draw scalene triangles with the different measures, we note that the 3 angles are different. Thus, a scalene triangle has no equal angles, right? Next, learn some more facts. Number 1, scalene triangle can be an obtuse triangle or a right triangle, right? This is scalene and also obtuse. Number 2, this is scalene and also right. Means right angle triangle. Okay. Number 2, isosceles triangle can be an obtuse angle or a right triangle. See, this is isosceles triangle and obtuse angle triangle. This is right triangle and also isosceles angles. Isosceles triangle. Okay. Exercise 18.1. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A triangle has dash vertices. I know you know the answer. A triangle has 3 sides. That is why it has 3 vertices. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 angles. A triangle has dash parts. A triangle has 6 parts. Okay. Properties of a triangle. In this section, we shall verify some of the properties of a triangle through certain activities. Number 1, angle sum property. Consider the following activity. Number 1, draw a triangle on a thick sheet of paper, mark its angles, label them as 1, 2 and 3. Number 2, with a pair of scissors, cut out the triangle region along its sides so that each part represent one of the angle labeled as 1, 2 and 3 as shown in the above figure. Now, draw a line PQR, and number 4, arrange the cutout corners of the triangle at Q as shown in the figure. Okay, so we observe that the 3 angles of triangle add up to 180 degree. So property 1 is sum of 3 angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Often this property is referred to as the angle sum property of a triangle, right? This property can also be verified by drawing different triangles and finding the sum of their angles after measuring them with the help of a protractor. Exterior angle or interior opposite angles. Okay, if we produce side YZ, okay, we have produced the side YZ to M. Now the angle XZM, that is XZM, this angle is exterior angle, and the 2 angles other than adjacent XZM are called interior opposite angles. Okay, so XZM is an exterior angle, of course this is outside the triangle, and X angle Y are interior opposite angles. Okay. Number 2, exterior angle property of a triangle. Let us consider the following activity. We draw any triangle ABC and produce its side BC to D. We measure the newly formed angle ACD. We also measure the interior opposite angles A and B. We will observe that angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. Okay. If we repeat this activity with any number of triangles, we will find that all triangles possess this property. Thus, we can say property 2, in any triangle, an exterior angle equals the sum of the 2 interior opposite angles. Number 3, triangle inequality property. Consider any triangle ABC. Let us name the sides opposite to angles A, B and C as small a, b, c and C respectively. Then we measure the sides and find the sum of the lengths of any 2 sides. We observe that b plus c is greater than a. Okay, c plus a is greater than b and a plus b is greater than c. This important property of triangle is known as triangle inequality property. So we state the property as property 3. the sum of any two sides of a triangle, any two sides, is greater than the third side. If we construct triangles of different measurement and repeat this activity, we find that in each case this fact holds good. Note, in a triangle, the angle opposite to the largest side is the largest angle, okay, and the difference of two sides is less than the third side, right? Example 1, in a triangle, two angles are 70 degree and 60 degree, find the third angle. So we do note the third angle, so let the third angle be, A. So first angle is, we have to find the third angle, 60 degree, 70 plus 70 degree plus A is equals to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? By angle sum property, by angle sum property of a triangle, by angle sum property, okay. 60 plus 70, 130 degree plus A is equals to 180 degree. A is equals to 180 degree minus 130 degree, and A is equals to 50 degree. So the third angle is 50 degree, right? Exercise 18.2, number 1, fill in the blanks. A right triangle cannot have an dash angle. It cannot have an obtuse angle. Okay. The acute angles of a right triangle are, how many acute angles are there? 2, right? Learning outcomes. If A, B and C are three non-collinear points, the figure formed by the three line segments AB, BC and C is called a triangle with vertices A, B and C. Number 2, the three line segments forming a triangle are called the sides of the triangle. Number 3, the three sides and the three angles of a triangle are together called the six parts or elements of the triangle. Number 4, a triangle is said to be, number 1, an acute triangle if each one of its angle measures less than 90 degree. Number 2, a right triangle if one of its angle is 90 degree. Number 3, an obtuse triangle is one that has one of its angle more than 90 degree. Number 5, a triangle is said to be 1, an equilateral triangle if all its sides are equal, an isosceles triangle if two of its sides are equal. Number 3, a scalene triangle if all of its sides are of different lengths. Number 6, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Number 7, if a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Number 8, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Number 9, in a right triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. Number 10, the interior of a triangle together with the triangle itself is called the triangular region. Students, I hope you have understood this chapter. Now you will do practice of the remaining questions.